Hi guys! Are you always left with bumps, redness and skin irritation after shaving? I will show you how to make an all-natural aftershave that works great for all of that. The scent is totally up to you, and I will put some combos in the description box. The base of this recipe is witch hazel, aloe vera and vegetable glycerin. I will use tea tree oil, which is antibacterial, lavender, which helps soothing sensitive skin, and frankincense, which reduces blemishes for a radiant finish. You'll need a 1/4 cup of witch hazel, unscented and alcohol-free, 1 teaspoon of aloe vera juice, not gel, half a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. I like to add a few drops of vitamin E oil to the mix. It will nourish and moisturize the skin, but that's completely optional. Lavender, which helps soothing sensitive skin. I've also added tea tree oil, which is antibacterial, and frankincense, which reduces blemishes for a radiant finish. This recipe makes 2 ounces of finished product and will keep for about 6 months. You can also keep it stored in the fridge for a cooling sensation. I always recommend a glass bottle for storing homemade grooming or beauty products, especially if it contains essential oils. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!